How you doing, guys? I need your help. Oh, did I screw this one up? So here's what happened. I replaced all the capacitors in here. Some down there, some up here. There's capacitors around here that I replaced. Then I replaced diodes, selenium rectifiers. I replaced them with 1N4000 diodes. And I need your help. Here's the condition. You turn this thing on. Everything seems okay. Final grid current, and the exciter's not even on. Not even on. And final grid current starts peaking out. So I had asked a question on a web page there, and somebody had mentioned, what's the bias voltage? So you're going to come down here with me, and you're going to tell me I'm wrong because I'm an idiot. I hate being stupid, and I hate making scrap iron. So that to me says negative 100 volts DC on the grid of that tube, which I think is an AX9909. 9909. There's some circuitry down here you're going to tell me to check. This transmitter was working before I replaced these diodes and these capacitors. Electrolytic capacitors and then selenium rectifiers. There's one rack that I replaced. There's the other one. Problem I'm having, meter switch G. I don't know where see, this is meter switch to P and then G minus, but no G, regular G. So I'll let you study this schematic for a second. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get. Oh, you guys are all upset at me. Oh, it's so wobbly. Just hold it still, guy. Give you a couple seconds there. And you can pause it. More importantly, let's get you set up here. Now I gotta try to make this a YouTube short for us. So I desperately need your help. Comment below, email, whatever. But here's where we're getting that bias voltage, turning it on. First of all, that doesn't say negative 88. So you're going to watch, all of a sudden, she starts dropping, and that's when that current starts peaking out. We're running out of time, but you get the point. Can anybody help me here? Does anybody have any clue?